Hi everyone, I'm back, and today I want to do a review on a product that was sent to me. It is called Sahai's Henna. It's a hair strengthening treatment kit. This product was sent to me to review, and I want to try it because I've never tried henna before. All of the clay-like products I've tried have been bentonite clay, and that's it. I've never tried henna. So it was sent in a package like this. I have a card. I think this is a sticker. Some directions in the pamphlet, and it came in a bag like this. I like this little bag. I like the presentation, instead of everything being completely separate or in a box. So inside I have gloves and shower cap so things don't get too messy. I have the henna is in here already made, so you don't have to mix it. I have a leave-in conditioner, the shampoo, and a deep conditioner. I hear henna can dry your hair out, so she sent me the whole kit so that I can test all the products. So from what I see on the directions, Sahai Henna, let's see, I'm supposed to shampoo my hair first and then do the henna and sit under a dryer for 35 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm finished putting the henna in my hair, and it's all over the place. You see I got it all over here, and I have a mess to clean up. So taking off my gloves, and I'm going to use this as my hooded dryer. You attach the end to a regular dryer. So I'm gonna put on my shower cap, get under the hooded dryer for 35 minutes, and then get ready to rinse it out. All right, so I'm finished with all the washing, the treatment, the deep conditioning, rinsed it out, detangled my hair, and now I'm just putting in the leave-in conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner smells good. I like it. So I'm gonna put in the leave-in conditioner and then figure out what I'm doing to my hair today and get ready to leave this house so I can go get some lunch. And I'll just put some pictures at the end of, I guess, whatever style I decided to do. But overall, I like the treatment. So far, I haven't seen any, I guess, color changes. But supposedly with the black hair, you'll see it more in like the sunlight. So I'll take some pictures in the sunlight to see if you can see like the reddish color. And I like how the henna made my hair soft and it felt moisturized after the treatment was rinsed out. Let's see, what else? That's all I can think of right now. I like it, and I love the smell of this leave-in conditioner. And yes, I have a little heat damage right here for those who are gonna say something about it, from either straightening or blow drying. I don't know, don't remember. But anyway, all right, y'all have a nice day. Bye.